Vicki Dishman is a United States Air Force veteran who found Heroes Encore at a moment when life felt overwhelming and difficult to navigate. Like many who have spent years serving others, Vicki was carrying more than she realized and searching for something that could help her regain footing and direction. Through Heroes Encore, Vicki was introduced to music as a structured, creative discipline. She learned a new skill, developed practical ways to manage stress, and just as importantly, found a community that showed up with consistency and without judgment. This past year brought significant challenges for Vicki and her family. What made the difference, she says, was having a constructive outlet and a peer-based environment that allowed her to keep moving forward. Heroes Encore became a place where growth was possible, not because things were easy, but because she wasn't facing them alone. For Vicki, the program wasn't about fixing something that was broken. It was about gaining tools, confidence, and connection, resources that she continues to build on today. She often credits the supporters of Heroes Encore for making that access possible. Their investment didn't just fund a program, it created an opportunity for stability, growth, and continued forward momentum. Now performing her original song, Serpentine, Vicki Dishman.
I want to thank you all for coming out today. This is going to be an original song. Accompanying me is Brian on the mandolin, Jim on lead guitar, Billy on rhythm guitar, and Anna on bass.